Kaya mo? Hindi, alam mo na, paharap na yun eh.
For this episode, we will show you how the IGOROT people from Sagada makes pinikpikan with ETAG. Our team was invited by Nanay Martina to visit their home where she will be cooking a famous dish from the mountains of the Cordillera region.
Picture ako sa kapatid ko. Selfie. Selfie lang.
I will pet you, I will pet you.
Ayun. Nilamin yung mukha. Nilamin.
Corina?
Ah. Oh my God. The Corina ito yan? Corina Sanchez?
Wala. Kasi ayat ni Arbor ayang.
Hindi ko alam na lalabas ako dito eh.
Sorry.
Kapag yung ano,
Bahala ka na mag-shoot ng tayo Kuya Albert. Ano? Ilocanoy mo. Pagbigla eh.
ETAG is a term used in the Cordillera about the people of the mountains' traditional way of preserving pork. A slab of pork is cured in salt for about a week, then smoked for several days or weeks.
Nay, ito pinsa. Mana isa?
ETAG has a smoky, salty, and rich taste that makes it identical to a smoked hamonado.
Kasi nga nakalimutan mo na.
Smoking is done by hanging the cured meat above the fire to smoke while being air-dried.
Pasok, no? Yan.
Tay.
Oo.
Sorry. Ayos.
Hindi pa. Ayos nga niya.
Ano si...
Party tayo pwede, Manok.
Ugasan lang, ugas pa lang.
Ugasak lang.
Hindi, pa lang.
Kaya mo yung pinikpikan ko yan, di ba?
Kung nga dati Romano din, nagijay, ipan mo di jay. Ipan mo di share mo.
Uy, hindi pwede itag mo dam naman. Ano maluto?
Tsaka sila jay.
Party na dito. Day. Ada kado dia.
Pinikpikan is a dish originating from the mountains of the Cordillera region. It is a traditional dish from the IGOROT tribe. Pinikpikan came from the word pikpik, which means to beat. It is prepared by beating a live chicken with a stick.
Huli kami dito.
The beating bruises of the chicken's flesh by bringing blood to its surface, which is said to improve the flavor of its meat. The chicken is hung upside down. Then the one who is preparing it will use a stick to thoroughly beat the chicken's wing and neck without breaking its skin and bones.
Yan ang ginagawa ng matatanda noon.
And when the chicken is dead, an open flame is used to burn the chicken's feathers off, and any remaining feathers are then removed by hand.
Ay, katang.
Burn here. Ako ba, street mo, tapos may kadye.
Ay, Gordon Ramsay. Ayun na, binabaan. Yan,
Kan. Hindi ang linamaw at nilagyan ng ETAG. Hindi ganyan.
It is then chopped into small portions and is placed in the pot to boil together with the itag or smoked pork.
Nabiyag pa eh. Lumagto.
Lagto ka.
Pero kita mo yung dugo. Hindi kalat. Oo nga, hindi siya tumatagas. Kasi pinangyari sa loob. Pinangyari sa loob. Ito ang problema nito. Ano klaseng choice of words? Ayun na.
Nangyayari rin na eh.
Ito naman, Brad. Lipat na ng...
Nangyayari sa loob.
Kami for san. Sa hap mo yung kinatay. Niluto. Pinikpikan, hindi pa naman ako. Bawat sa pizza.
Okay. Wow! Yan ang...
Yan ang pinagpikan.
Bawa ng pinikpikan, hindi yung...
Because the chicken is burnt off and the itag is smoked, the pinikpikan has a subtle burnt and smoky taste which makes a perfect soup at any time of the day.
Martina, yung sinuot ni Kuya kanina sa ulo ng gano'n na parang.
So ito.
Iramig ko tayo yung gano'n yung sinuot niya. Oo, kasi kakain na ba tapos na gano'n. Ay, nalagyan ko sa pagkain mo. Direct ako na. Tapos diretso video din. Gawa ba ako lang? Ang kulo lang ito, kaya tas para maganda yung tube.